touring one of the most attractive condominiums in Davao, just across the street from Gaisano Grand City Gate. Conveniently located in the heart of Buhangin, Davao International Airport is just 5 minutes away. This is Amani Grand City Gate Building B. It's now nearing completion. Here's the main entrance and lobby. Let's take a look around a standard studio unit. This is a 26.84 square meter unit. Fully tiled floors, 3-meter high ceiling in the bed area. Every unit has its own balcony, with 2-way sliding glass doors. And screen doors if you prefer to let some fresh air in. You'll have an area for your laundry machine with provisions for water supply and drain. This is the toilet and bath, fully tiled as well, with exhaust fan. Complete with bathroom fixture and a tapping point for a water heater. All units come with a kitchen counter with a granite top and an overhead cabinet with a provision for a range hood exhaust, complete with faucet, sink, and grease trap. Soft close cabinet doors and drawer. Each unit has a smoke detector connected to the building's alarm system and 2 sprinkler heads. Now let's take a look at that balcony view. You can see the other 3 buildings of Amani Grand from here. I hope you enjoyed our tour. Invest in your unit now.